Hello friends, welcome back once again. So here we have these boxes. Okay, you can see that this box and this box are separate, while this and this are being linked together. Okay, so solution here is now we need to add all the other boxes that are around this center box. Okay, let's begin with 10. So we are going to have 10 plus 12 plus 22 and plus 20. Okay, let's sum these. So 10 plus 12 is 22. 22 plus 22 is 44. 44 plus 20 is 64. We are having 64. All right, so what about the center box? So for us to get the center box, we need to divide by how many arms? How many arms do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to divide the sum by 4. So if we do that, so 4 itself is 1. 4 into 6 is 1 remainder 2. That 2 and 4 will be 24. So 4 into 24 is 6. So this is equals to 16. So that is why we have 16 at the center, okay? So the sum of all of these arms divided by the number of the arms will give us this middle box, the value of the middle box, okay? All right, so here as we have known this, here we have this to find, okay? So how do you find this? So we need to sum all of them, divide them by 4, equate it to something that will help us find here. So solution to this is, I need to have, okay, let me come down here. I need to have 0 plus 12 plus 32 plus, here is question mark, let's represent it with x, okay? So everything should be equals to 0 plus 12 is 12. 12 plus 32 is 44. 44 plus x is 44 plus x. All right. So we got this to be 64 and we have this to be 44 plus x. So here we divided by 4. We are going to divide this by 4. So after dividing this by 4, it is expected that the result after division here is going to give us what is at the middle. So this is supposed to be 16. So let me change this to implies, all right? Because I can't have two equalities at the same time. All right, so we can now do the maths here, okay? So we have, let's make this to be a fraction because we have fraction on the left hand side. So let's make the right hand side to be a fraction. So we can cross multiply, all right? So 1 times 44 plus x, starting from here, so 44 plus x will then be equals to 16 times 4, but here, let's pick it one after the other. 4 times 6 is 24, right? 4 carry 2, 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So this is now a simple equation. So you can solve as a simple equation. All right, we'll make the s the subject. S will be equals to 64. Here is positive, crossing equalities, the sign will change it to negative. So our s is equals to 64 minus 44 will be 20. So it's expected that here is 20. All right, for us to check, let's check whether it is 20 actually. So here is 0 plus 12 is 12 plus 32 is 44. 44 plus 20, because here is 20, that will give us 64. And 64 divided by 4 will still give us 16. As in this case, 64 divided by 4 is 16. So 64 around here divided by 4 will still give us 16. That means that we are correct, okay? All right, so let's have this to catch with, okay, here is question mark, so these are the answers, and here is question mark, and these are the answers. Once again, thanks for being there, and keep learning, keep watching. Thanks.